Let's film a fight.
Look,
Film
a couple
a
days
fight.
before Hurricane Irma.
Film a fight.
The Jose gonna
Film
come
a fight?
next.
Hold on.
We all gonna die. On some real.
Hey, the purge. Look.
Scrap.
Knocked out.
Ass. Oh my god.
Don't cry now. Cause you
Knockout. Finish it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, beat me up.
Finish it.
Beat me up.
Dang.
Beat me up.
Oh my god.
Beat me up already.
I'm making that.
Beat me up
I
already.
gotta make that the
I'm sorry.
thumbnail.
You
I'm
don't want to
sorry.
fight no more? Or you still want to fight? You still want to fight? See, once you start fighting, he keep on wanting to fight. Okay, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Please, you win, bro. I'm sorry. Handshake. We good? Okay. Wait, bro. I'm sorry. Please stop. You know how to do the Indian burn, right? Where you do like this? Okay.
Well, I look
At least
black
you can
as
take
hell
a
in
hit.
the mirror.
And then
I
you
can't
don't
afford a
have to
vlog camera, so I'm vlogging with my
Oh
damn
my God.
iPhone.
What?
Can you
The
hook up
iPhone,
Can you hook up the PlayStation, please?
y'all more go to PlayStation, boy. I thought you even throw that ball at my face, boy. I just flinch, no key.
Film this and put it on YouTube. I still want you to go hard on me. Film this and go.
All right, come on. What's up? Are you sure about it?
Yes.
Even if you cry?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
he wasn't ready. Nah, just like that face you just made. He was not ready. You gotta block, Jahari.
You gotta block. Set up, bro. You gotta block. You gotta
learn
block,
how to
bro.
block. This boy was, I thought he was recording the whole time. Come on, we're not even recording. You ready to play your Lego game, boy? My PlayStation?
I'm sorry, Jahari.
You're keeping that.
Jahari, don't lie.
That's what you want me, boy.
You really hate me. You don't hate me.
No, stay still.
Ooh, it's two players. I
You
only
know,
got
yeah,
one controller.
Where's the light in there? Got like beach towels to bathe with, the drown with.
What is y'all doing?
Don't worry.
Where are your face
Go.
towel?
Bro.
Three. No, wait. Ready?
Just say the
Set, go.
baby face towel, is it? Okay.
Boy,
I
Damn,
just
this is
drown-
ultimate.
drown with.
Oh, counter.
who's my mans?
They scrapping, they going at it, boy. It's raps. Thought Jahari had you, boy. Well, look at their faces. Oh, who won that? I missed it. Who won? I missed it.
He didn't win.
Oh, don't throw nothing at my phone now.
You should be trying to beat me.
Bro, your shirt shouldn't be gone. All your shirts shouldn't be gone, cause that nigga,
Oh, your shorts are gonna be gone.
that nigga right there gonna mess up all your shirts.
I
that
want another
mess up all
fight.
your shirts.
Show him the nut.
I'm not gonna go that hard on you, cause you be.
Yes.
No, cause you be getting mad at me.
Yes.
Bro, cause you be getting mad at me.
And if I make it more hurtful.
Okay. But you said, do you really hate me though when I be beating you up? Like, be honest. Cause I don't be like you be telling.
I don't know. Ask my nose.
Boy,
Shots
he got
fired.
slick with your behind, boy. He said, I don't know.
All right, come on,
ask
what's
my
up?
nose, nigga.
Are you ready?
Ask his nose, nigga.
Like this is me. This is you recording me beating up a little kid, bro. But technically, like,
That's
what
gonna
is
change,
it?
boy.
And then he's tearing my shirt, bro.
Net.
You know,
All right, they want me to
Floyd
call
versus
fight.
Connor. Floyd Connor. Even though like
Wait,
Scrap.
we already know
You gotta scrap.
Conor
Wait, do the
McGregor
one-
in the UFC
do
versus
the
Floyd.
thing-
Floyd couldn't stand a chance in UFC.
Do-
like, come on.
Do
Let's
do
all
the
be
thing
real.
what you
Connor's retarded
like
for going
in-
to boxing.
hey,
Wait, shut up.
do
Come on,
the
let's
thing
go.
do
Come on,
the
Connor.
thing like in wrestling match, like my name is the Iguana Suhaman
Oh,
and
hell
his
no.
name is
The iguana Samo. All right, come on. Let's just fight, bro. Come on. Let's go. This is Mayweather.
We don't have a belt, so we can.
Mayweather,
In the
Conor
left
McGregor
corner.
in the 10th round.
in the left
No,
corner
freak that left
is
corner,
the
try.
Iguana Kalana and the second corner is the Poopy Doopy.
Okay, the Poopy Doopy. Come on, Poopy Doopy, Brown. I don't care. Come on.
Ready, fight.
All right, Conor McGregor, Mayweather, 10th round. Okay. Whose man's is it?
Finish
Get up,
him.
get up, come on. Don't get mad either.
He got stunned. Oh, crushing blows. There, oh. Boy, I think you should retire. Retire. Boy. Why he throwing the ball so hard? How did that hit me in the nuts?
What are you doing?
Water in that thing for my leg, cause I'm finna bathe.
Don't record me, Corey. Don't get me during the holiday.
Before Hurricane Irma, these Africans will never be seen before. Seen again. I said before. Wait, so he wants some ice in his name. Brandon's gotta put water in his thing for his knee because he had knee replacement. Tired of this thing. Fill up with water in there. Oh, there's fish in the side. I ain't know. Ain't no we. Where else am I supposed to get water from? It seems too small. Yup. Still your auntie. Oh. Open it with my shoulder. Hurricane survival. I don't want a nigga. Put ice in a bucket.
I can't hear anybody.
Yes, you can.
I can only hear Aaron.
Is that right? I'm putting his age. Why you
Skip it.
Right.
Pull up with a
Alright.
stick.
Alright.
Let it hit. Pull up with a stick.
My PlayStation phone. Your
Let
TV,
it
bro.
hit. Pull up with a stick.
Move.
Look at this dude, bro. Look at this
Number
dude.
3.
See him, right?
Did you already have the PlayStation phone?
That was that dude.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that nigga look just like a girl.
Oh,
Oh no no.
Oh, damn. This dude literally cut his hair like a week ago. That shit was long as
About a
hell.
week ago. Mess with
This
us.
nigga.
Where my controller at? Oh, press the button.
Mama.
Did y'all plug in the power button to the PlayStation? I said the power button.
Nigga.
Mama.
Take your sword.
Now we're gonna have a real fight, and I'm gonna have the high.
Yeah, you're gonna have the sword, but you're still gonna get rocked.
No, I'm not.
See, every single time you want to fight,
I'm gonna
you
hit
take
you.
an L and then
Don't-
you just
don't
want to
record
fight
too much
more.
nonsense. So if it's like stupid, don't record it. But that's a good conversation. So keep recording.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like it skips through boring parts.
Okay, stop. He's connecting his Xbox.
that, do y'all?
I swear, niggas is about to get that nigga booty,
Watch
bro.
what?
That nigga be wearing his pants all the way down. Black people can't stand up and gay
I
niggas.
wear my pants all the way down. I heard that.
No, not you. Him.
Is it hard?
Boy.
Smell something like this. Smell.
I do have a toothbrush, idiot.
Where my church shit? Oh, there you go. There you go.
Whatever toothpaste I have, you're using it. You guys are staying?
Xbox One and blue. I don't know.
We have to take turns. Like, if one of us dies, we have
Is that
to.
HDMI 3? Are you sure it's supposed to
And then you got that scoff.
Alright, that's what I told you.
One.
That's what I heard.
It's Xbox 4. I mean, PlayStation 4. Why was so dumb?
Whose man's is this?
Oh. PlayStation check.
How a chihuahua. Look,
I'm back, niggas.
look, how a chihuahua.
Neck at. You should like, subscribe, and tell your mama who I am. And like, I low key want your auntie, but I ain't want her to know. But keep it on the low. I'm still trying to talk to her on the low. But peace out, niggas. That was kind of gay. Yeah, pop it, slap it in the hand. Alright, bet. Peace.
Really gonna hit you. Gotta go that way and get robbed for your houses. Gotta go that way, I know you not gonna be happy. Just try to leave, Jose get the smacking.